r r r.
For this sound, we pretend that we are a puppy ripping a rag. Yeah.
See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy.
A boy has a playful puppy. The puppy finds an old blanket. He grips it in his teeth and shakes it from side to side. Rrr, rrr. The boy grabs the blanket, but the puppy hangs on tightly, going rrr, rrr. The blanket rips. It looks like a rug now, so the boy calls his puppy Rugs.
The sound for R is r, r, r. Here is the song for r.
See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
Let's look at some words for r. Rat, at, rat. Run, run. Ring, ring. Rabbit, it, rabbit. This has been r.
r r
Today we are going to write sound r. Sound r. How to write sound r? We are going to write it from line 2 to line 3 only. So you are going to use line 2 and line 3. Okay, grade 1. From line 2 down, up again, round. Again, down, up, round. Again, down, up, round.
r
S T crest.
r
S T crest.
r
S P crisp.
r
S P crisp. D
r
P drip.
r
T print.
r
T print. A, ran. A, ran. A, rat. A, rat. Rent. Rent. Rest. Rest. Rip.